This is for my babies. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I literally just finished making this wig and thought to show you guys my new way of wearing my wigs without using a glue or a tape. And I recently started noticing that my edges are balding, and I know it's from me wearing frontals, which always require gluing it down. But in this video, I will show you guys an effective and safe way of securing your wigs using elastic band method. Hope you all enjoy, and let's go ahead and get started. So for this method, all you need is a measuring tape, and this will help give you an accurate circumference of where exactly to sew the elastic. And I like to measure from the temple of my hair all around to the other side. I always avoid making the elastic too tight because I often get a severe headache whenever I have anything too tight on my head. And once I've gotten the exact measurement, I like to take a black elastic band. You can get this from any art and craft store or even a clothing store. Before I cut, I like to stretch the elastic to the exact number where I had measured earlier using the tape, and then I go on and cut. Stretching the band before cutting makes sure you don't overcut the elastic because that will make the wig not snug when you finally install it on your head. Okay, so I'm gonna cut off the front part of the wig cap I had used in making the wig to reveal the frontal. And oh, I totally forgot to tell you guys about the hair. I used 4 bundles of 26 inches Brazilian deep wave virgin human hair and an 18-inch frontal from Klaiyi hair. You all know I'm obsessed with Klaiyi hair company and that we are running a giveaway presently, so definitely check that out. To begin sewing down the elastic, I'll eyeball where exactly my hair temple is. Make sure you don't take the elastic too close to the hair pads because if you do, it will show once you have the wig on. Once I'm sure where exactly my temple is, looking at the frontal, you can also use maybe a chalk to make a mark. Then, I will gradually begin sewing down the elastic onto the wig. I like to sew straight across the elastic and also make sure I knot the thread while sewing so it will be properly secured. I'm going to take the elastic band through the front to the other side and begin to sew it down. I used to take the band all the way to the back and then sew, but I noticed it doesn't snug my frontal tightly whenever I take it to the back. Doing it this way is perfect, you will see. The net on frontals are very delicate, so please be careful as you're sewing. You don't want to use force on the net because it will end up tearing, and we don't want that. The wig is looking all nice and secure with the elastic band, so now go on and cut off the lace that comes with the frontal. The frontal is already pre-plucked and pre-bleached, so that makes my job easier. The curls are somewhat tight, so I like to loosen the curls to make the wig a little fuller. So it's time to try on the wig, you guys, and to be sincere, ever since I discovered this elastic band method, it's been fun all the way. You just put on your wig and head out the door. No more time wasting on glue and waiting for it to dry before putting on your wig. You simply apply your wig and it's perfectly snugged and secured on your head. Can you guys see how the frontal looks? It matches my skin tone perfectly well and it's well blended into my scalp. I can't deal with how gorgeous the curls on this wig looks. Amazing. And with the elastic band on your frontal, you can run a marathon without being conscious of your wig falling off. I'm gonna spray on some big sexy hairspray and stay all-nighter hairspray to define and hold my curls in place. And that is all there is to this video, my loves. Definitely let me know what you think about this method in my comment section. Also, don't forget to enter for Klaiyi hair giveaway, and please don't forget to like this video. Until my next one, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.